Shopify AI dropshipping. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Shopify and how you can use dropshipping using AI. So let's get into it. So before we begin, I just want to explain how it works. All right, so if I come over here you can see I basically was using DeepSeek to tell me how I can use dropshipping and how I can use AI and implement it and take it to the next step. So this is what it gave me. So it's a step-by-step process. All right, so first step is the product research and validation. Right, we want to find profitable products, in-demand products, and we can sell them using this option right here. These are AI tools that can help us. We have Sell the Trend, Mynea, Dropshipping IO, free trials available. And over here we can see on this chart we can analyze millions of products and ads and identify the trends. Right, next we have suppliers and sourcing and validation and verification. Right, finding the reliable suppliers with fair pricing and fast shipping. We have Deezer suppliers, AI dropship, and even Spocket. I've actually used Deezer, so I recommend going with that. And let's go ahead and check out Sell the Trend, and also let's go ahead and check out Mynea or Minia, whatever, how I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, so it's Mynea and Sell the Trend AI dropshipping. So here we go. This is the product research and product library. So we can start now. We can browse the products over here. We got all these different products that are trending right now, and even Sell the Trend is available as well. We can create a dropshipping option over here, and we can discover all sorts of products. Right, hand-picked winners, like so. We can go ahead and find them right here. Right, and then verification and suppliers, we can use Deezers, and then we have store building and optimizations. We can go with either Wix, ADI, which is the artificial design intelligence. In my opinion, it's awful, so we're not going to even go with that because we already have a Shopify store and we just need to find and source products. Right, for that we can of course use one of these options, and I also have, I believe I might have had Deezers, but we can just simply come over here. Yeah, I have the Deezers right here, and we can just simply open it up and start using it. And this is how it looks like. Right, so we got our Deezers right here. I'll just close that up, and then here we can find different products, and I've already uploaded a few products as an example. So let me just show you. So if I come over here into my Shopify store, go into products, and here we should have loading up. Why is it so slow? There we go. So I have a few different products, as these slippers and stuff like that. So as an example, but yeah, we're over here and we can use that. Right, what's next? Next is to build our theme, our Shopify store, which we already have. As I said before, I don't want to use Wix because Wix's AI is not that great. The AI design intelligence is not that great. Not to mention Wix website is a little bit slow because of all the things that they have. It's decent. It's definitely worth it if you want to just try it out with, the normal themes and normal templates. It's great in that department, but the AI is just not that great. And it's not just Wix. AI on any website right now is not great. AI website generators do not work. They have really weird stuff, so I would not recommend that. Next is to content creation, right? Copy and imaging. ChatGPT for product descriptions and Canva AI to generate images for lifestyle and removing backgrounds, which is great. But we can also use Leonard AI for generating unique product images for variations as well. So if we find the products that we like, we can use one of these options and one of these tools, or all three of these tools, to generate, mockups and creatives for our product. Next is marketing and customer acquisition. Creative AI is pretty amazing, not gonna lie. I'm gonna show you how you can do it. With this, we can generate high converting ads and we can run them over here, and we can also use OmniSend for AI powered email and SMS marketing automation as well, which is pretty cool. So ad creative is pretty easy to use. You just sign up with your Google account. You can try it for free. You can create a bunch of different creatives like these you can see right here. You might have seen a few of them on Instagram or TikTok. They were made by ad creatives. They're really cool. So for example, if we come over here, these are the product videos that we can create. So here you can see pretty simple videos. We have the product over here, and then it's basically adding backgrounds and stuff like that. Nothing too crazy. So like this one right here, let me see, this one right here with the fire and stuff like that. Oh, it looks pretty cool. We also have it right here. So we have the product, and then we can choose the backgrounds over here, and then we create the motion, and it's as simple as that. Here we also get a prompt to generate the product. So we got desert boots on sand dunes with a camera pen. Of course, we can also upload our own product and it'll showcase them. This would actually look pretty good and work really well with our sandals and our products, which is, you know, our sandals right here. So yeah, we can use this one. Next, we can go ahead and use customer service retention. So we can use TDO AI for AI powered chatbots that handle common customer queries 24/7. ChatGPT can also use it as well. And then we should be good to go. So it's not pretty easy. We just need to, you know, pick in one niche. Don't try to sell everything. Use a tool like ChatGPT. So to help you brainstorm 3 to 5 specific passions and, you know, like products for indoor gardens, right? Find the product using the free trial of the tool like Minia or Sell the Trend. We can find the product, choose the niche that is shown, and you can use that. Then we can create our content. We'd like, for example, generate product description with ChatGPT and create some eye-catching photos with Canva or Leonard AI, and we should be good to go. Then we can set up, of course, automation. Even a free plan looks good, like OmniSend. We can set up automation and automated emails and recover abandoned carts, which is crucial for making sales. And yeah, once that's done, we should be good to go. So these were the 6 steps you need to create and do AI dropshipping with Shopify. So again, pretty simple, right? Nothing too crazy. Dropship.io is also pretty good, but I don't know if it has a free trial available. I think it does, but I don't know if it works. I haven't used it that much. That's why I'm not really sure about that. I have used, you know, Ad Creative, and it's pretty cool. Minia is also really good. We can use it to generate and find products. So for example, if I click on Start Free Now, here we have all the products. These are of course ads, right? And if you click on product section, let's go ahead and shop with continue with the Google, and these are the winning products right here. So we do need to upgrade it. The free tool doesn't really give us anything, but we can use the ads right here. So these are meta ads right here. These are some of the ads that are really popping off right here. We got weekly winners. We also have TikToks. That's the meta ad library. This is TikTok's ad library over here. But yeah, we can see it over here. We can filter it by engagement as well. You know, ad reach, ad spend, monthly visits or views. And these are all the products right here. So you can go ahead and check them out, see how they're performing, and try to recreate them with the products that you have. And yeah, they should be good to go. And then we also have Sell the Trend as well. But yeah, so they're pretty easy to use. And yeah, that's how you can use AI for dropshipping. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.